How to change the default emoji in a chat on Messenger on Android. This tutorial shows you how to swap out the default thumbs up for any emoji you want. First, open the Messenger app on your Android device. After that, open the chat where you want to change the default emoji. From there, tap on the profile name or picture at the top of the chat to open the chat settings. Let me show you. At this point, look for the Customize option and tap on it. In the next step, select Quick Reaction. From there, browse through the emoji options and tap on the one you want to set as the new default for that chat. At this stage, the emoji will update instantly and will now appear as the Quick Reaction button at the bottom right of your chat instead of the previous one. Once done, tap on it anytime to send a quick reaction using your newly set default emoji. From here, keep in mind that changing the default emoji only affects that specific chat. Each conversation can have its own unique default emoji set independently. And that's it. If this guide helped you change the default emoji in Messenger, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.